In this episode, we will learn how to say I hate walls in Chinese, which is 我痛恨战争. How to keep it in your mind easily? Here's my solution for you. As you may notice, we have the new war going on in the Middle East, and the politician just told us, hello folks, we just started a new war. And my first response to this news is, I hate walls. So I hate walls in Chinese we say 我痛恨战争. 我痛恨战争. The English name at the bottom just help you to pronounce the Chinese character correctly, while the figure above it help you to memorize the pronunciation easily. From left to right it is 我痛恨战争. And 痛恨, it means hate or strongly hate. And 战争, it means war. So literally it means I hate or I strongly hate wars. And another example to use hate to make sentence is I hate you, right? In Chinese we say 我恨你. 我恨你. For example, if you found your husband cheat on you and for a second time you told him I hate you, which in Chinese we say 我恨你. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you.